in this question, coordinates for the 3 points are given to us and we have to show that these points are collinear. Now, let P minus 2, 3, 5, Q 1, 2, 3 and R 7, 0, minus 1 be the points in a space. Points P, Q and R will be collinear if they lie on same line. Is it clear? Now, using distance formula, D is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Okay. Now, let us first find distance for PQ. Now, PQ is equal to PQ, we are discussing these 2 points. Now, 1 plus 2 whole square, because this is negative of 2, okay, plus 2 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. Three square plus minus 1 square plus negative of 2 square. Now, this is 9 plus 1 plus 4 under root 14. Now, after PQ, let it be QR. Now, Q and R. Now, 7 minus 1 whole square plus 0 negative of 2 whole square, negative of 1 negative of 3 whole square. 6 square plus negative of 2 square plus negative of 4 square. Now, this becomes 36 plus 4 plus 16. This is under root 456. Now, this will be 2 root 14, because 14 times 4 it is 56. PQ, QR. Now, we are left with PR. Now, P and R, this point and this point. So, 7 plus 2 whole square, then 0 minus 3 whole square plus negative of 1 negative of 5. Nine square plus 3 square plus 6 square. 81 plus 9 plus 36. This is equal to 90 plus 36 under root 126. Now, this becomes 3 under root 40. Is it clear? Now, PQ plus QR is equal to under root 14 plus twice of root square root of 14. This is equal to 3 root 14. Now, PQ plus QR is equal to PR. Hence, PQR are collinear.